Good morning, dear students. Today, let us learn new topic in grammar: degrees of comparison. This is called transformation of sentences. In transformation of sentences, degrees of comparison is the part and parcel. Now, let us listen carefully. Let us understand and let us learn something about degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. In degrees of comparison, there are three types of degrees of comparisons. Three types. First one is positive. Second one comparative. Third one superlative. Superlative. So, positive, comparative, superlative. These three are called degrees of comparison. So, let us see, before we transform the sentences into comparative to superlative, or positive to comparative, or comparative to positive, let us take some of the adjectives. In this degrees of comparison, there are two major parts of speech, that is adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives and adverbs. Now let us see some of the adjectives. When we learnt parts of speech in detailed manner, we learned what is the adjective, what is the adverb, and what function is done by adjective, what function is done by adverb, we have seen. So, adjectives describes about the noun and it modifies the noun. Adjectives describes about the noun and modifies the about noun. And adverb, it modifies an adjective, an adverb and a verb. So, let us see some of the, we can say tall, big, rich, poor, etc. They are called adjectives. So, we use these adjectives in degrees of comparison. We use these adjectives and let us see some of the adverbs. Adverbs: fast, adverb fast, okay, well, good. Also we use in degrees of comparison. So in degrees of comparison we use adjectives, adverbs to compare to other persons, to other objects or things, to other animals, whatever it may be. So when you compare more than or two or more than persons or things or objects, then we use degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Now, I just have told you adjectives and adverbs. These we use in degrees of comparison. Now, let's see one by one what is positive degree, what is comparative degree, and what is superlative degree. But clearly, I will draw one table. First one, let us take positive. Second one, comparative. Third one, superlative. So positive, comparative, superlative. When we compare with other persons with the same kind or different, when we compare to any other persons or things same kind or different, it is called positive. For example, you can see here high, okay, next one tall. I am writing some of the positive words, in what words we use, what adjectives we use in positive. I am writing here tall, big, okay, next fast, small, rich, next one expensive, beautiful. These are positive degree words. These are positive degree adjectives. In positive, we use high, tall, big, fast, small, rich, expensive, beautiful. Next, when we compare to other, here you can write higher, taller, bigger, next faster, smaller, richer. When we write expensive, we should not expensist. We should write more expensive. Here, more expensive, and here more beautiful. These are adjectives we use in the comparative. When we use comparative, we should write than. Very important. In comparative degree, we should write than, higher than, taller than, bigger than, faster than, smaller than, richer than, more expensive than, more beautiful than. So these are comparative. Let us see next one, superlative. What are the adjectives will come under superlatives? Here, highest, tallest, biggest, fastest. Next one, smallest, richest. Next, most expensive. We can write here most expensive, most beautiful. These are the adjectives will come under superlatives. So when we use superlative, we should write at all the times est. Just I underlined here est. Now if you observe all these words, all these adjectives ending must be est. For example, highest, tallest, biggest, fastest, smallest, richest, most expensive, and most beautiful. So these are degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. Now let us. So far we have seen what are the adjectives will come under positive, what are the adjectives will come under comparatives, what are the adjectives will come under superlative. Now let us see one by one what is positive, what is comparative, what is superlative in sentence wise. Okay, in sentence wise. First let us take positive. First we can hear tall. Okay, we can see the boy is tall. The wall is high. Tall, high. Okay, so these are the words, these sentences in a positive degree. The boy is tall, and the wall is high. So in the positive sentence we use as tall as or so tall as. This is very, very important. In a positive degree we use as tall as or as so tall as. Here one more, as high as or so high as. This is a positive degree. Positive degree, the boy is tall, the wall is high. So what conjunctions or what are the connections we use in positive degree? So tall as high as, so high as tall as. These are very, very important in positive degree. When we compare with other persons with same kind or different, Okay, I am as tall as he. I am as tall as he. This example, I am as tall as he. So what is the what we see in the positive degree? As tall as, positive, as tall as. So these sentences called positive. Now let us take what are comparative sentences or what a comparative degree. Comparative degree. Here when we compare with other persons, two or more, or objects or animals, whatever it may be, then it is called comparative degree. Here comparative degree, the main root word is than, than. This is the root word of degrees. Comparative degree is than. What example here means? Taller than, or bigger than. Now let us take one example. Mumbai is bigger than Hyderabad. See, Mumbai is bigger than Hyderabad. So what word we see in the comparative degree? Bigger than. What word we see in the comparative degree? Bigger than. Mumbai is bigger than Hyderabad. This is the example of comparative degree. Okay, he is richer. He is richer than I. He is richer than I. So when we compare with other place, other persons, other things, it is called comparative degree. Once again I repeat, when we compare with other persons, other places and things and objects, it is called comparative degree. So Mumbai is bigger than Hyderabad. He is richer than I. Now let us take superlative degree. Superlative degree. superlative. Here the words we can use ending with est. Remember, ending with est. For example, tallest, richest, etc. Superlative degree. So, for example, Ravi is the tallest boy in the class. So no one is there in the class. No one is there in the class as tall as so tall as who Ravi. So he is the one. Ravi is the tallest boy. Tallest boy. This is superlative degree. Superlative degree. So Ravi is the tallest. He is the one. He is the tallest boy in the class. No other. He is the richest man in the village. No other. She is the most beautiful girl. No other. She is the most cleverest girl. No other. So, when we don't compare with any persons, only one person, then we use superlative degree. Superlative degree. So that Ravi is the tallest boy in the class. Lion is the bravest animal in the forest. So when we use est or tallest, biggest, when we say world one, for example, the smallest bridge, the longest river, the highest building, the fattest woman, this all will come under superlative degree. So Ravi is the tallest, no other. This one example, this one. Second is one more is there, that is America is one of the richest countries in the world. Now see the difference. The first difference, Ravi is the tallest. Here we saw the tallest boy. We saw here the tallest boy. Now America is the one of the richest countries in the world. One of the richest countries in the world. So that is the difference between. Here no other we can use no other because no other boy in the class. Why we use no other boy? Because we use the tallest. When there is the tallest, we should write and we should use no other in positive degree. Next, America is the one of the because there are many countries are there, the richest countries in the world. Among them, America is one of the richest countries. America is one of the richest countries. There are many countries. Okay, Ravi is one of the brightest boy in the class. Ravi is one of the brightest boy in the class. There are many boys are there. He is the one of the brightest boy in the class. So there are two kinds are there. Two types are there. Type 1, Ravi is the tallest boy. We can use the tallest. One is in superlative, the tallest. Second one of the tallest. This is the one of the tallest. One of the tallest. So this is the sentences, and these are the words, adjectives will come under comparative superlative degree. So far we have seen what are the positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now let us see, for example, here positive, simple way, positive as here adjective. Second one, so as here adjective. Next comparative comparative ir than. For example, taller than, taller than, okay, or higher than, higher than. Next, comparative degree, superlative degree, superlative, okay, the tallest, the tallest. When you use the tallest, positive, we should write the tallest, no other, no other. Next one, one of the tallest, one of the tallest, here very few. So these are fundamental words we use in positive, comparative and superlative. Positive, comparative and superlative. In positive, as, here you can write in adjective as dash as in adjective you can write and as. For example, I am writing here as tall as I, so I as. These are the words will come on positive degree. Next, comparative degree, ir plus than. Ir means the starting with higher, lower, faster, smaller, larger, bigger, richer, r. So r plus than, faster than, taller than. We should use than in comparative degree. Next one, higher than, higher than. Last, superlative degree. Superlative degree, there are two kinds are there. One is the tallest, second one is one of the tallest, one of the tallest. When we use the tallest, no other in positive degree we use, and if there is one of the very few, we should write in a positive degree. Now let us see, let us transform the sentences comparative to positive, comparative to positive. Comparative to positive. Okay. Now, example, Mumbai is, okay, Mumbai is bigger than, Mumbai is bigger than Hyderabad. First, let us take what degree it is. What degree it is? It is comparative degree. Why we say it is comparative degree? Because they are bigger than. Easy way to identify comparative degree. It is very easy to identify comparative degree because here it is there bigger than. Now this is comparative degree. This is comparative degree. Now we should transform to positive degree. We should transform to positive degree. Now see how I am transforming this sentence into positive degree. Positive degree, I told you here as or so or as dash as. When we write the positive degree, listen carefully. When we transform the positive degree, find out what is adjective or what is an adverb. Very important. First step is find out what is adjective or find out what is an adverb. Here bigger is adjective. Bigger is adjective. So easy way how to write bigger is adjective. Now this is Hyderabad. Write here from the place of Mumbai. Write the Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Yes, when we write Hyderabad is, you write is. So when there is in the comparative degree positive, positive should be negative. Listen carefully. When comparative degree is positive, in positive it will become negative. How in it? Not. Okay, Mumbai is not. Now let us see. So big as Mumbai. This is a positive. In this way, we should transform the sentence to positive degree. comparative to positive degree. Hyderabad is not so big as. What we found out adjective, then we should write here. Bigger becomes here big. In positive sentence, big. In comparative sentence, bigger than. So bigger than, so big as Mumbai. So it's very important here. We should write not so big as. One more example. Namita is cleverer than Sita. Namita is cleverer than Sita. So what is degree? What type of degree? Comparative degree. Again here cleverer than. And find out what is adjective. Clever. We should write here clever is adjective. When we compare to other person, we should write than. So this is positive comparative degree. Now let us change into, let us transform into positive degree. Now let us see, Sita is not so clever as Namita. Sita is not so clever. Okay. So this is comparative to positive. Comparative to positive. Okay, dear students, in this session we learned what is what are the degree of comparison, what is the positive degree, what is the comparative degree, what is superlative degree. What are the adjectives will come under positive degree, what are the adjectives will come under comparative degree, what are the adjectives will come under superlative degree, and how to transform, how to change the sentence comparative to positive, positive to comparative. So let us conclude the second session by next time. Thank you.